Cable Airport, Cirrus 5140 Romeo is going to overfly the field. Runway 9, we have traffic departing, and we're going to enter left downwind for 24 cable. Got him.
Traffic, traffic.
I got him, no factor.
Okay, and 23, managing our power.
Yep.
Traffic in sight.
And you could turn left downwind right now.
Okay.
Say
Cable
turning left
traffic,
downwind.
Cirrus 5140 Romeo is turning left downwind.
Traffic,
Cable.
traffic.
Good.
I went 2-4 cable.
Let's go one zoom in on the map. Nice work. And you could even go flaps 50 here to stay ahead of the airplane. Can't hurt. And do your thing, you got it. There'll be a left turn off the runway.
Oh boy. Okay, power's back, we're at 90. Perfect. Keep it good. Alright, mixture's coming in. And we're descending.
Beautiful work.
8023. We're doing a right.
I would start your
223.
turn. As
with
the Charlie, see the Charlie coming up on us?
Cable traffic, Cirrus 5140 Romeo is a left base 24 cable.
Beautiful.
Let's get a little bit of a power here. Altitude, yep, okay, too hot. Final is clear, and full flap coming in, getting on final.
Good.
Cable traffic, Cirrus 5140 Romeo is turning final 24 cable.
Excellent.
And now we're just managing flaps, gauges, make it good.
And the runway is a little hilly and downhilly and all the stuff, so
Alright.
just yoke all the way
500.
until you clear the runway.
We're gonna get on our path.
Cable traffic down 80-238, just rolled out, back off, downwind. We're going to start our base 10-1 land, please coming.
Cable traffic, Cirrus 5140 Romeo short final 24 cable.
Beautiful. Touch a right crosswind there. And you can see the windsock
Yep.
too, that checks.
Power's coming down a little bit.
Just watch the fence there.
Cable traffic, Scott 80-238, turning left base, short approach 24 cable.
Oh, I see.
Good, yoke all the way back.
Little rough
Good.
there.
And don't fry the brakes, but start the brakes. And eventually, there'll be a left turn.
Jesus, they
Yeah,
couldn't figure this out?
It's an interesting runway.
Isn't there like some construction people here?
I don't know.
I mean, these are nice hangars.
Yeah. Just a little hilly.
Silly. I'm just gonna go to the end.
Cool, excellent. Welcome to Cable, Jenny.
Yeah, it used to be where Falcon Insurance was.
Falcon Insurance.
Cable guy, or my insurance guy back in the day.
Come on down to Cable
Jesus,
and see
this
me.
is like a really shitty.
It's a little interesting.
I'll never be back here.
Whoa, Cable, did you hear that?